Open the app. Once you install it, you should be able to see this dialog, and this will ask you the certain permissions which you must have to give, otherwise the app will not work. So first one is you have to select the screenshot folder. Click select. It's directing me to the screenshot folder by default because I have been testing this app on this device, but for you it's going to be your root directory, which is this one. The screenshot folder will be in either DCIM or the pictures folder. So here if I go to the DCIM, you can see there is a screenshot folder. Click it and then use this one, use this folder. Hello, that will be the first permission. You should be able to see the selected folder path as well. If you by mistake selected any wrong folder, then you can update it. The next one is auto start. This permission is only for the Chinese based brand device phones. For other phones you won't be able to see this permission, and for this permission you must have to give on these devices, otherwise you won't be able to use the app in the background. Click grant, look for the mark, select it, come back. Then the battery optimization, click allow, click no restriction, come back, select the overlay permission, look for the mark app, allow, come back. Notification permission. Notification is optional. If you want to have a notification running in the background for the foreground service, you can give it or you can ignore it. For this tutorial, I'm going to give it. Then you have the last one, which is the read access for the screenshots. Click allow all. That's the main requirement or main permissions which you must have to give for the app to work. Then you have the configuration, like the time, which you can change. Now if I close the app, you should be able to see that the foreground service is running. If you want, as I told you, that you can hide this notification as well. Now if I take the screenshot, you should be able to see this dialog asking you to whether you want to delete the screenshot after a certain amount of time or you just want to keep it. For this notification, if you just want to hide it, just long click on it, click more, then you see the show notification at the top, just disable it. The notification will not be visible now, and you should still be able to get the dialog when you take the screenshot. Once you install the app, open it. You should be able to see this dialog asking you certain permissions which you have to give, otherwise you won't be able to use the app. These are mandatory permissions for the app to work. First one is select the screenshot folder. Click select button. For me, it's navigating me to the screenshot folder because I have been testing this app on this device. For you, it's going to be the root directory of your screenshot of your files app. Now the screenshot folder can be either in DCIM or pictures, or depending upon your phone, it can be in any other folder. Just look for it. For this phone, Pixel 6, it's in the pictures folder. Go to pictures and then screenshots, then select use this folder. Allow. If you by mistakenly choose any wrong path, you can see that the path which you have already selected, and you can update it as well. Next one is the battery optimization. Click allow, allow. Then we have overlay permission. Click allow. Look for the mark app in the list. Click allow. Go back to the app. Then you have notification permission, which is optional. If you want, you can give it or you can just ignore it. Then we have the last one, which is the read screenshot permission. For this one, you must have to give allow all. That's it. That's the main requirement for the app to work on. You can just now close the app, take the screenshot anywhere in the device, and you should be able to get this dialog asking you whether you want to delete the screenshot after a certain amount of time. You can just select any time or you can just keep it. Once you install the app, open it. You should be able to see this dialog asking you certain permissions which you have to give, otherwise you won't be able to use the app. First one is you have to select the screenshot folder. Click select it. For this phone, it's by default showing the screenshot folder because I have been testing on it. For you, it's going to be the root of your directory. Now the screenshot folder can be in either DCIM folder or the pictures folder, or depending upon your device, it can be in any other folder. You just have to look for it. For this device, it's in the DCIM screenshots. Click use this screenshot folder. Allow. Next one is battery optimization. Click allow. Third one is overlay permission. Click allow. Look for the mark app in this list. Enable it. Go back. Then we have notification permission. It's an optional. If you want, you can give it or you can just ignore it, which I'm going to ignore for this tutorial. The last one is read screenshot permission. Click allow, and here you must have to give allow all. Once you do that, it's all done. You should be able to use the app normally in the background. If I take the screenshot now, I should be able to get this dialog asking me whether I want to delete the screenshot after a certain amount of time or I just want to keep it. That's it. Thank you.